Okay, so let's help you get some clients. So there is something I call double C, CC. The first C stands for connection, the second C stands for conversations. Now, the more conversations that you can have, the more clients you will get. Now, one of the easiest ways to get these conversations going is by just sharing what you're already doing. So I assume you're a fitness coach and I assume you hit your macros. Now, your soon-to-be clients want to know what you're doing. So all you do is say, hey, this is the breakfast I have every morning to basically hit my macros. And if you want this, comment the word breakfast and I will send you the exact breakfast I eat and I prepare in under 15 minutes. Why? Because people want things fast and people want to know what you're doing. Because remember, they're going to pay you to get results for them. Now, what's going to happen is you put this post out, which is also called a lead magnet, which is going to be free on your post on your Instagram, and people will comment breakfast. So you will then say to them, reply back and say, I'm just going to message you in your inbox. So you will message them in the inbox and you will first send them the actual breakfast guide that you're having. And guys, don't overthink this. You don't need to go Canva and go and prepare like a big PDF with loads of designs. I promise you, you can just write it on a piece of paper, take a picture and just send it, what you have for breakfast. Like, there's not going to be many types of breakfast that you're going to be repeating every single day. It's probably going to be 2, if anything. So put that on a piece of paper, how you have it, how you prepare. Make sure you write the ingredients, you write the method and like why you do it and how you do it. Send it to them. Then on the back of that, once they've got it, that's when, firstly, number one, you know they're struggling to have a breakfast. So you're going to start a conversation. You'll be like, hey, by the way, this is personalized to me. We'd love to understand, what are your goals? What are you struggling with? And as soon as you start the conversations, they're going to start talking, they start telling you. Not everyone is going to do that, but out of 10 people that reply, there's going to be 6 people that might be serious. Out of them 6 people, eventually there is going to be probably 1 or 2 people that are going to buy from you. Now, if you have a £1,000 program or a £500 program or whatever it might be, you can see how the maths add up, and you can do the same for lunch, you can do the same for dinner, you can do the same for when you go out for restaurants. I mean, the list goes on and on. But the point is, it's going to start a conversation. Eventually, you're going to ask them what are the problems they're going through, and that's going to eventually lead to a client. So go and do that. The second thing, what you want to make sure you have is, by the way, let me just add one more thing. So you're going to do that for the food, and you're also going to do that for your training. So let's just say your favorite leg workout. Well, do the same for that. Hey, this is my leg workout. If you want to know exactly what I do for my leg workout, for let's just say if you're a girl and a lot of girls want an ass, play that into the storyline. If you're a guy and you've got a six-pack, play that into your storyline. I mean, you can just, the list is endless. You get the gist. Use that as a lead magnet because you're doing that already, so it's easy to explain it. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing, which is connection. 2 ways you're going to build connection. Number 1 is relatability, in terms of what you do, what your method is professionally. Do they agree with that? And then outside of your professional, like in your personal life. So for example, one of the ways I can connect with someone is, I like oranges as a fruit. Now, there might be some of you watching that hate oranges. Immediately there's a disconnect. But if you are someone who also likes an orange, well, we built a connection over an orange, right? And it might be like, we might like apples or grapes or blueberries, right? That is one way for you to just share your personal life, and people will find some form of a connection. Like, let's just say you like pasta, or you like going drinking on Friday night. Share it. And this is why it's key to be yourself. Like, the more you can share that, the more you will find your tribe, and then people will connect with you. So outside of your professional, what you do, what you do in your personal life, the more you can share that, that is one way to connect with the people that will find you. You will find your people. Now, the second way is on the professional side. Now, if you're the type of person who likes drinking, who likes going out on a Friday night, you like a party, but you also, your school of thought is that I'm a fitness coach who likes balance, fucking share it, because that's you. So you can attract the person who wants to have that balanced life, where they might want to go out, they also want to drink and party and do whatever it is, but also they want to have a bit of a healthy lifestyle. This is why it's important to just share who the fuck you are. Now, on the other hand, if you're the type of person like where you're like, no, my mindset, you're the mindset type of a person where like you're hardcore on the, like, you don't drink and you're in the season of focus and you're all about, getting your head down and doing it. I'm not saying no way is right or wrong. I've been on both sides, and I feel like, it's just key to be you. If you're that type of person who's the hardcore type of person, then promote that, because that's you, and you will find your tribe. I promise you that. So let me just circle this, because I don't want to because I'm only answering one question, and I feel like I've been here long enough. So it's like double C, connection and conversations. The way you're going to get connections is by showing what you do outside of your professional, like what things you like and what things you do, so you can find a connection with someone through that, which means be yourself and share what you like and what you don't like. Don't be afraid of it. And the second thing is what's your method. So basically, are you a hardcore type of person, or are you more like chilled and relaxed? Whatever you are, share that. People will find you. Don't automatically think that you have to show some sort of like you're like the perfect person, because it's just not going to work. And that's why you're not going to probably get clients, because you're trying to be a fake copy, a version of someone else. And then the second thing is in terms of conversations. So let's break it down in two things: training and food. So whatever you do, whatever you eat, just say, hey, this is what I do. If you want to know the exact guide, comment this underneath. So if it's breakfast, comment breakfast. If it's lunch, comment lunch. If it's, you get the gist. And then they will message you, and then from there you will begin the conversation and hopefully close. Now, if this is something you need help with and you want a full process building out from start to finish and you want to accelerate your journey, you can always come and see me here in Manchester at my office, where we will meet face to face, and hopefully I will see where the constraint is in your business and I'll help you put a plan together to get them clients. But if not, go and do this. I promise you, you'll get clients.